Hi friends, this is Professor Shivaji Chavan, and in this session today we are going to see how we can prepare an effective video CVs. Before we begin, let us understand why video CVs are important for the present recruitment process. Video CVs is a recent trend to shortlist candidates for interviews. Most of the companies are preferring video CVs instead of going through a piece of paper called resume. Video CVs also gives clarity about students' confidence and communication. Recruiters can easily judge and decide whether we should recruit this candidate or not by observing his personality and presentation skills. It also saves huge amount of time and money which has been spent for shortlisting the candidates from various recruitment stages, and it helps the recruiters as well as the candidates. So on a one click, the recruiter can view the profile of the prospective candidate and he can easily make it out how the candidate is. So therefore, instead of going to various colleges, the recruiter can see the video of the candidate and he can make his mind whether he should recruit the candidate or not. It also removes the distance barrier. Video CVs help to remove the distance barrier, and many a times company personnel travel pan-India for shortlisting candidates. Through video CVs, they will get all the details of the candidates at their fingertips and they can judge the candidate on various fronts. So it removes the distance barrier as well. Through video CVs, candidates talk about their interests, their domains, their technical expertise, and overall personality traits. And this helps the recruiter to segregate the candidate as per their domain, interest, and required skill sets. And the recruiters can easily maintain the data as well as call the selected candidates who have a particular expertise and a particular domain knowledge. So this is the importance of video CV, and therefore we should prepare video CVs. Now let's see what are the required things before recording our video CVs. First and foremost, if a candidate is not ready with the script, he will have lots of problems, and therefore verbatim the candidate should prepare his script right from greeting, right from the name, right from the education qualification, the projects, the industrial training which he has undertaken, extracurricular activities, co-curricular activities, and the various achievements which he has got. So all the details should be compiled on a piece of paper and a script should be ready. So the first thing you can do, and that is preparing a script. Without script, it may happen that you are taking so many takes and you are stucking up at many places. So script is the first thing which is required for recording your videos. The second thing again which is very important, and that is your professional attire. As in the picture you can see that the candidate is well dressed, he is confident, and his overall look is very much professional. So your dressing and how you are carrying yourself will make a lot of sense to the person who is observing your video. So we must have a professional attire when we are recording our video. The next thing which is required, and that is a huge amount of confidence. Whatever you are presenting, it should display a huge amount of confidence, and it should display your overall positive personality, and it should make a very good impression. And this confidence or a professional attire, the script, all these aspects we can achieve perfection only if we practice, as it is written on the screen, and that is practice makes man perfect. So if you want to make a very good video CV, if you want to create a very good impression on the viewers and the recruiters, definitely you should practice your script, you should practice the pauses, you should practice your overall presentation and your presentation style. minimum 20 times, so that the 21st time you can give your final take with a lot of positivity, and it will display a huge amount of confidence. So these are the things which are must, which are required for recording videos. And now for your reference, let's go through a sample video CV which will give you a complete clarity about how we should prepare our video CV, or how we should present our video CV in an effective manner. So I will be pausing the video in between, and I will explain the points in a systematic manner. Right, so let's begin with the video.
Hello, I am Amruta Solapure, here to offer my skills to an organization which would allow me to contribute to organizational goals and enrich my skills. I am pursuing BE Electrical from NK Orchid College of Engineering and Technology.
Alright, in the first segment, the girl is introducing herself. Her name is Ms. Amruta Solapure. She is from Electrical Engineering branch. And in the first impression, you will find that she is straight away looking in the camera, and she is explaining herself in a very confident manner. If you see, she is constantly smiling, and she is using perfect body language, and she is using perfect postures, and she is presenting her point of view in an effective manner. It's because it is an effectively she is presenting herself because she is using a very good body language, and with a smile and a perfect eye contact is adding to a lot of positivity in the minds of the viewers. Okay, so in the beginning she is telling about her name, and she's talking about her academics. So let's continue with it. So here one thing we should note down, and that is we should display a lot of confidence, and whatever you are presenting, it should carry it forward with a smile. So let's proceed with it.
Technology Solapur. I have completed my diploma from Sri Siddheshwar Women's Polytechnic Solapur. I try to give my best every time. My academic grades are proof of my dedication. Since I started my college, I have been constant academic topper. I have ranked 6th by the Solapur University for Electrical Engineering Department. I have always come with new and innovative ideas. I have ranked first for the project idea competition by BMIT Solapur. I have also been the best outgoing student at Sri Siddheshwar Women's Polytechnic Solapur. My training.
Alright, in the second part of her introduction, she is giving her achievements. As she is the constant academic topper, she is giving the details about her academics, and also whatever achievements apart from the academics she has achieved, she is explaining it in a proper language. And as you can see that she is very confidently presenting all these points because she has practiced a lot, and she has worked on her language, she has worked a lot on her script. So here the second tip for all of you is, you are supposed to have lots of retakes at your home. You can record your videos by practicing at home on your cell phone, and you can experiment a lot with what kind of hand movements you should use, what all the details you should give, and how you should stand, and how you can present your views in a systematic order. This all synchronization can happen only if you practice. So let's proceed with it.
District Industrial Center on solar energy and 132 kV MIDC substation has prepared me to enter the workforce with enthusiasm and lots of experience. I have worked on the projects like fire alarm, energy conservation and audit. I like to communicate with people. I can socialize and communicate with people very well. I have leadership qualities, so I was elected as event head and treasurer for the year 2017. I have bagged first prize and second prize twice for paper presentation competitions at various institutes. I have basic knowledge of Keel, Proteus, AutoCAD, MATLAB and C programming. I believe I am.
Alright, as you can see that she is continuing with her overall video CV, and she is giving it with a lot of confidence, as I have already told you that she has worked a lot on her script, and she has practiced it, and the points which are given by her, you can also make a note of it, and you can divide the points which you are supposed to give, and according to your profile, according to your participations and achievements, under academics, under technical skill sets, workshops which you have carried out, projects which you have undertaken, industrial trainings which you have done. So accordingly you can prepare script, and accordingly you can practice it, and which point should come after what point, that also should be planned, so that you will not stuck up. Here it is very much necessary to mention that she has given this script in one go. She has given this video CV in one take. So it is very important that you remember all your points. It is very important that you have worked a lot on your script at your home, so that it will help you to record your videos. She is giving all the details about her technical skill sets. She is giving all the details about her projects, achievements. So you can also note down all the achievements and all the points which she is mentioning here. So this is very important as far as your script is concerned, and you can prepare your script accordingly. Let's continue with it.
I'm a total package. I guarantee you that you won't regret after selecting me in your organization. Thank you.
So here you will find that Ms. Amruta started with a smile and she ended with a smile as well. So it gives a lot of positivity to the next person who is observing, who is going through her video, and the recruiter will definitely feel like, I should speak to this girl. I should take her interview, and I should see whether she is the girl or whether she is the prospective candidate and the most eligible candidate for the post which I have. So this will create a very good impression in front of the recruiters or those who are going through your video CV. So this, Madam, stop.